song is for the bigger brand home man. His daddy said, promise me son, don't do the things I've done. Walk away from troubles if you can. Do remember it down, me you weak. If you don't fire M16 this week, someday you're gonna grow to be a man. Imagine, Tom, I'm a little girl cutie. Some boys would call her yellow. She rides on the back of a cow through a meadow. But believe me, yes, she rides with a shotgun in her hand. And this took place in the ghetto. In the ghetto. Listen me good. And a cold and gray Zebulon morning, and a little Zebulon child was born in the ghetto. In the ghetto. Talking about myself. I didn't learn how to steal, didn't learn how to fight. I learned to read my Bible from my time in the ghetto. In the ghetto. Listen me good. I'm sitting in one of the night, another finish for the release, and the young man breaks away. Buys a gun, steals a car, try to run, but he won't get far. Lay, bigger forward. Lay, bigger forward. Shot him with an XLR. Boy, 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 boy. I saw his mother cry. I saw his daddy cry. And imagine, here comes his brother with a running nose, standing in the street where the cold wind blows in the ghetto. In the ghetto. You're next track. Yeah. Now this is a track, you know. It's a good to all the DJ, them artists, them. Well, look, over, man. The kingdom, them Britain and sister, them and this thing. I believe you me. This reggae music game is one of the wickedest things in the world. Never gonna tell you that. You know, from close to 60 years. Listen to this. Who I know? Hey.
Rock.
What am I gonna do? To stop the general. Who I know where them I gonna do? Woo. To stop the general. Listen me good. There's some in the DJ brought the thinking back. I said they're down to hold your man. When do you hear me? When do you hear me? No matter mix the water but sweat. Lord make it right. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. People should have been each of them wicked. You understand? One away the mother.
I'm gonna shut the floor.
Hey, one away the mother. To stop the general. Listen me good. One away the mother. To stop the general. Lord. One away the mother. To stop the general. Now listen me good. Just some idiot DJ brought them thinking back. I said they're going to whoop your man. You don't hear me? And I tell you whoop your man, we turn my Brigadier the International. Whoop your man to keep your money, the DJ and go back where you're coming from. I could never harm Briggy, he's a true one, Rasta man. That's why I tell you.